Hello, James. Where are you? Where are you?
Hello, Lily. I am at the train station.
You're still there? James? You're still there?
Yes. I'm standing on the platform.
What happened? James? What happened?
My train is late. Lily, my train is late.
Oh no. James! How long have you been waiting?
About 20 minutes. Lily, about 20 minutes.
Are you okay, James? Are you okay?
Yes, Lily. I found a place to stand.
Good. Are you tired? James? Are you tired?
A little, Lily. It was a busy day at work.
I wish I could be with you at the train station.
I wish that too. Lily. I wish that too.
I would keep you company. James.
Then waiting wouldn't feel so long. Lily.
You are sweet. James. You are sweet.
Only because I'm talking to you. Lily,
Did you bring your umbrella, James? Did you bring your umbrella?
I just remembered. I left it at home. Lily,
Oh no! Did you get wet in the rain? James,
I am standing under the station roof. Lily.
is the rain getting heavier? James,
Yes. I can hear it hitting the roof. Lily,
I love the sound of rain. James, I love the sound of rain.
me too. But only when I'm indoors.
Can you see the train now? James,
I see headlights in the distance. Lily, I see headlights in the distance.
really? James, be careful.
The doors are opening now. Lily, the doors are opening now.
Get on before it gets crowded, James. Did you find a seat? James,
Yes. I was lucky. Lily, I was lucky.
that's wonderful, James. That's wonderful.
I am sitting by the window. Lily. I am sitting by the window.
Can you still see the rain? James,
Yes, Lily. The windows are covered with raindrops.
that sounds peaceful. James, that sounds peaceful.
It would be perfect if you were sitting beside me. Lily?
One day, we should take a train trip together. James,
I would love that. Lily? I would love that.
where would you like to go? James?
Anywhere with you. Lily. Anywhere with you.
That's a beautiful answer. James? That's a beautiful answer.
I mean it. Lily. I mean it.
How many stops until home? James?
About 2. Lily. About 2.
Be careful when you get off the train. James,
I will watch my step. Lily. I will watch my step.
I just heard thunder outside. James, I just heard thunder outside.
I heard it too through the train window. Lily?
The storm is getting stronger. James!
But I'm getting closer to you, Lily. I just got off the train. Lily?
Great. Now go home before the rain gets worse. James,
It's raining pretty hard. Lily? It's raining pretty hard.
be careful. The sidewalks must be slippery. James,
They are. I'm walking slowly. Lily.
Are there many people around?
Not really. Most people already left. It's nice and quiet.